Let's create glass text effect in Adobe Photoshop. I have kept my document size to 1080 by 1080 pixels with a resolution of 300. So let's get started by adding a background. Go to File and click on Place Embedded. Click on the Shape tool and select the Ellipse tool. Make an ellipse and set its fill to none. Now, double-click on the ellipse layer. Enable Inner Shadow and copy this settings. Now duplicate it using Alt and place it as you want. Once you are satisfied, let's open Illustrator. Select the Type tool and type the word you want to give glass effect to. For the font, I am using Pilowlava font. Now center align it. Go to FX, then 3D and Material, then Inflate. Set the depth to 22. Go to Materials and set Roughness to 0.45. Now go to Lighting. Set Intensity to 187. Set Rotation to 90. Set Height to 27. Set Softness to 28. Set Intensity to 71. Now enable Ray Tracing. Press Ctrl and C to copy. Open Photoshop and press Ctrl and V2 paste. Paste as Smart Object. Then scale it down. Change fill to 0. Double-click on the text layer and add inner shadow, and copy this settings. Now, duplicate this layer by pressing Ctrl and J, name it Shadow. Change its blending mode to Linear Burn. Change Fill to 100. Click on Adjustment Layer option, click on Levels. Clip it by pressing Alt and left-click. Move the slider to left side so the text gets wider. Move the bottom slider to right to make it more wider. Copy the shadow layer by holding Alt and dragging it on top. Rename it to Hard. Change blending mode to Screen. Click on Adjustment Layer. Click on Levels. Clip it by holding Alt and left-click. Move the slider to right to get the transparent look. Now copy the main text layer and drag it on top. Rename it Depth. Double-click on the layer and disable the inner shadow effects. Enable Bevel and Emboss, and copy this settings. And that's it. Hope you liked the tutorial. Hope you got to learn something new. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.